Honey, what are you doing?
I'm doing rain dance.
It's a rain dance. Do you know what's better than a rain dance?
What?
Videos of daily life as a foreign expat in the Philippines. Here we go. Well, one thing you notice about Alona Beach is they put in a lot of effort keeping it clean. You don't see much trash. And the white sand is very nice. And they do a good job with that. The only downside is the vendors, man. These vendors are aggressive. Once they latch on, man, it's like a pit bull. They ain't letting go. And they'll follow you. But back to the sand. It's very nice. So Chichay has a new best friend. This is Sakura. He's an amplifier.
Aww.
And he's a Shih Tzu puppy. About
4 months.
4 months old. Yeah, he's adorable. We might be taking him with us. The dog, not him.
Put him inside the bag.
Put him inside the what?
The bag.
The bag, yeah. He'll fit in the bag. Down at the northern end of the beach, they have jet skis for rent. And these are some nice ones. These are some big ones. Big, powerful sea steeds. And an hour's rental is only 5,000 pesos. If you only want to do 30 minutes, it's 3,000. So, bahala. So at the northern end of the beach, they got this cool little rock outcropping going up here. And there's construction going on over there, and that's actually Henan Resort, and they're expanding. I was just talking to a dive master from one of the local dive shops, and he was saying that he thinks Henan basically owns all of Bohol by now. And again, they got one of those parasail things out there. And the white sand, when it gets wet, it turns into like a clay. It's weird. It's not like the brown sand in Negros. We might go over there and explore. So, what do you think of Alona Beach?
It's very beautiful. I like it compared to Siquijor and Sipalay Beach.
Oh, so it's better?
Yeah.
Than Siquijor and Sipalay.
Because don't have a lot of trash, unlike or the green thing.
Yeah. Not a lot of trash. Yeah, so they put a lot of effort into cleaning it up and that's pretty nice. And you found a swing, huh? You're on the beach here. Let's see. We're like in the middle of the beach. And Chichay has found a swing. And she's swinging and she's a swinger. Yeah, okay. That's another video. Alright, happy Sunday. Oh, Monday. It's Monday. Just woke up, 6 o'clock in the morning here at Alona Beach. Now, as you can see, it's very nice at 6 o'clock in the morning because everybody's still sleeping. And ready for sun flare. So it's Monday, 6 a.m. We have a tour of the island starting at 9 a.m. We got a driver and a car. And we're heading off into the interior of the island to check out Chocolate Hills, Butterfly Sanctuary, all that stuff. The usuals. So join us on Monday's adventure. Oh, there's pigeons. A lot of pigeons here at Alona Beach. I don't see a whole lot of those in the Philippines.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.